brutal, man. You did great. The amount of eyes, and people don't even want to sit in it because it's so scary, but that is some pressure right there, man. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man? Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Chevy Black. Chevy Black for those who don't know.
Alright.
Well, which everybody knows. 6PT Wolfram 18s on 3MD 12Ks. And we have 3 Wolfram 10, well 6 Wolfram 10s, 4 Wolfram 8s, and 6 Wolfram WST1s.
Okay. Who built this?
Drew Jones designed it.
Okay.
We built it. So, yeah.
You're on team.
Jared Anthem did this.
Okay.
Finest Bogle did this. The iPad Dash. I didn't bring my iPad though. But Jared Anthem also designed the port.
Okay.
So,
Nice.
yeah. Ben Nash, my brother, did all the graphics.
And the name of the build you have is it Pennywise?
You know.
Alright, I've seen you around.
I've watched you for 2 years, bro. I watched you. And, you know, I love your growth and things.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, you know what? I know I'm doing something if I get Jacob in here. So I think I was like, oh, Jacob.
Oh yeah, yes sir. Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you. And thanks for watching, man. Yes, sir. Is there where I can see the amps in the back? The amps.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Open the back door.
Okay. Yes, sir. Whew. That was an awesome demo. Thank you, man. Whew. I got it. Love to hear it. Put the window down.
What do you want? You want live?
Whatever is most musical for you.
Everything.
I know. Let's do windows down first. All right.
Let me skip through this song.
All right.
waiting.
Oh man, that was awesome.
I've been waiting.
Oh yeah. Hey, well, that was awesome, man. Woo! That was brutal, man. You did great. The amount of eyes and people don't even want to sit in it because it's so scary. But that is some pressure right there, man. Woo!
Like Jacob, I've watched you for 2 years, bro. I've watched you, and you know I love your growth and things.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, you know what? I know I'm doing something if I get Jacob in here. So as I seen, I was like, oh, Jacob.
Oh yeah, yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching, man. Yes, sir.
Son las mujeres Guatemala. Yo conozco una que se mueve en la cama como una mala. También tengo 4 americanas que las tengo para hacer los papeles, para chambear y papelada. No llegando regalando leche como lo que sea.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.